Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros mix. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt for the dough base. Don't forget about 3 to 4 cups of vegetable oil for frying. A piping bag fitted with a star tip is also key for creating those classic churro ridges. Now, let's craft that perfect churro dough. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth, thick dough ball forms. Let it cool for about 5 minutes before moving to the next step. Next, we'll fry our churros to golden perfection. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. Finally, let's add those delightful finishing touches. Once fried, immediately transfer your churros to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Serve your freshly made, warm churros with a rich chocolate dipping sauce for an irresistible treat. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.